So now let's begin with the function which is known as print. So what is the exact meaning of function? So function is a set of tasks which we will be doing, and print is actually known as inbuilt function. It has certain tasks and define our own function. So let's begin with the print function. So print Sujay. So in the print we are mentioning the string, right? So that's the reason why the first and we need to mention single quotes or double quotes. Again, print Shashank. So yeah. So basically, if you want to print the single quote, means you need to mention the double quotes at the beginning and at the ending. I mean, if you want to get the single quote in the output, means you need to mention the double quotes at the beginning and ending. If you want to get the double quote in the output function, means you must and should mention the single quotes at the beginning and ending. Here I'm showing you range. So actually, I'll also explain you the meaning of the. Okay, so let's. College, so you see your college. Enter. So here we got the single code inside the output function. Okay, I didn't mention why. It's okay. College and next. So what happened if we didn't mention any single quotes and double quotes? Simply it will get error because we need to mention the single quotes because we are just giving a string value. For that it's mandatory, and then print. I mention about so here we had given a single value, it had been divided into two values. The reason why is here we had mentioned backslash n in the sense new value. So that's the reason it had been split into two lines because it's actually new value. See, not new value, new line actually. Backslash in the sense new line. This is the reason it had been divided into two lines. And then let's look at the other print function. The types of print are we'll write the same value here also. Oh my god, what exactly happened? Here it had been divided into two lines, but here it didn't divide it. Even though we mentioned the backslash n, it's actually new line, but it didn't divide into two values because here we had given r. R in the sense a raw string. Whenever the r is there, this backslash n will not work out because r is quite opposite to the backslash n, and it says that no, you should not give a new line. So that's the reason it will print in a single format line. And then next, let's give another value. Print another thing. Wow. So here you can able to look, right? We had given this backslash n, but this backslash n hadn't occurred in the output. So what exactly happened is, see, the dual comment had been satisfied here and here, and this single comment had been satisfied here and even at the here. So what exactly happened to the single comment? So the single comment got satisfied with the backslash n. So always this, whenever there is a single comment, we need to ignore that, means we need to mention this backslash symbol, then it will be satisfied. So that's it for today's